So for this problem, to find the sum of the first 8 terms in the series, now observe that for this given, this one is a geometric series and the common ratio is -4. So we have 3 times -4, that's -12. And -12 times -4, that's +48. So from this formula to find the sum of a geometric series, so observe, so we have a sub 1, so this one is the first term, or the common ratio, that's -4, and n, since we're looking for the sum of the first 8 terms, therefore n is equal to 8. So therefore from this given, we can find the sum of the series. So substitute now all the values. So we have the sum of the numbers equals, so a sub 1, that's 3, then times 1, then minus, or the common ratio is -4 to the power n is equal to 8. Then we have 1 minus, again the common ratio is -4. Then to simplify, so the sum of the numbers equals, so we have 3 then times, so this one minus -4 to the power 8, so using the calculator, so we have 1 then minus, again we need to put inside the parentheses, -4, then to the power 8. So this is equal to -65,535. So again, this is -65,535. Then for this denominator, double negative. So this becomes positive. So we have 1 plus 4. So this becomes +5. Then to find the sum of the series, so we have 3 then times -65,535 equals, then divide by 5. So the sum of the series is -39,321. So this is -39,321.